大家好，这是你们的肯尼亚汉语老师 Faith 老师。Hello everybody, this is your Kenyan Chinese teacher Faith, and welcome again to our channel where we teach you how to improve your spoken Chinese. I'm so glad because we've been receiving very many comments from people as they learn Chinese together with us, and this is such an encouragement. Thank you. Now today we are going to learn on making appointments. When we want to make an appointment with either a Chinese person, how do we go about it? So we are going to start our class for today. Now making appointments is 约会. 约会. 约会 is to make an appointment. So we are going to go through the various sentences on how to make an appointment. We'll begin by giving you the sentence which we ask when we want to get the telephone number. 请给我你的电话号码。请给我你的电话号码。By now, everybody knows the word 请 means please. 给 means give. 请给我你的电话。电话 means telephone. 号码 means number. 所以电话号码 is telephone number, and it can even be your mobile phone number. 请给我你的电话号码。Then you can go ahead and tell the person, 我的电话号码是 My phone number is 我的电话号码是 and then you give your number. For example, 我的电话号码是0724875317。我的电话号码是0724875317. Now guys, note, when you're giving phone numbers and your number has got 1 in it, we do not say I, we say yao. So when there is 1, we'll say yao. Alright. Now, another sentence pattern. 你打错了. Now let's assume you've been given a telephone number and then you dialed wrongly. You input a wrong number, and then I realize, oh, this is not the person who I was expecting to call me. So I'll tell the person, 你打错了. 你打错了. Now the word 打错 means to dial wrongly. So you can tell somebody, oh, 对不起，你打错了. Sorry, you dialed wrongly. Now let's go ahead and now start asking people when we can meet them. So we can ask them, 你什么时候有空? 你什么时候有空? 大家 note, 什么时候means when, and the word 空 means empty or free. So when you ask somebody, 你什么时候有空? You are asking them, when do you have free time? When are you free? Maybe these people are free on a Friday, so they can tell you, 我星期五有空. 大家 remember, 星期五 is Friday. 我星期五有空. Okay? Another sentence, 我们几点见面? 我们几点见面? We've done before the word 几点, which means what time. The word 见面 means to meet. So when I ask 我们几点见面, I mean what time do we meet? Now assuming you want us to meet at 8 o'clock in the morning, then we can say 我们早上8点见面. 我们早上8点见面. How about you want to ask the person, 在哪儿见面? 在哪儿见面? Where do we meet? And you want to tell them, let's meet at Westlands in Sarit Center. Then you can say, 我们在 Westlands Sarit Center 见面. 我们在 Westlands Sarit Center 见面. So let's meet at Sarit Center. Then you can ask somebody, maybe if somebody is stranded and you want to tell them, can I come and get you there? Then you can ask them, 要我去接你吗？要我去接你吗？ Now the word 要 here means should or would. It doesn't mean want. So you're asking the person, should I come and 接 is to meet up with you, to come and get you from where you are. So you can ask somebody, 要我去对不起，要我去接你吗？ Can I come and get you from there? 要我去接你吗？ Now, if you think this person should not, there's no need for them to come and pick you up, then you can say 不用啦，不用啦。Now, the word 不用 means need not. So you can say 不用啦，不用啦，谢谢。Then you could also ask somebody, 这个周末你有时间吗？这个周末你有时间吗？周末 means weekend. 有时间 means have time. So you could ask, 这个周末有时间吗？ Do you have time this weekend? Then if they have time, they'll say 有. If they do not have time, they'll say 没有. Another sentence that is useful in making appointments is 谢谢你的邀请。谢谢你的邀请。大家 note 邀请 means invitation. So maybe somebody has invited you somewhere, probably at the Sarit Center. You can tell them 谢谢你的邀请. Thank you for your invitation. But let's say, yes, they've invited you, but you do not have time to attend to their invitation. Then you can tell them 谢谢你的邀请，可是我有别的安排。谢谢你的邀请，可是 means but 我有别的安排。The word 别的 means other and 安排 means plans. So thank you for your invitation, but I've got other plans. I had made other plans. Then you can ask them 别的时间可以吗？别的时间可以吗？别的 again we said means other, 时间 means time, 可以吗 is it okay? So you are basically asking, can we plan for another time? 别的时间可以吗? And if they are okay planning for another time, then they can say 可以. But if they are not okay, then they will have to give you probably another time. Now, if they need to go and think about it, then they can tell you 以后再说吧。以后再说吧。以后 means later. 再说 again speak. So 以后再说吧 means we'll talk later. We'll talk later. So this is in a situation you want to first of all think about it and then give a reply. Then you can say 以后再说吧。Now, those are the words I wanted to teach you today in making appointments. But for now, let's listen to these dialogues.
玛丽，认识你很高兴。认识你也很高兴。
请给我你的电话号码。
我的电话号码是0724875317。
谢谢。我星期五给你打电话吧。
好的，谢谢。
玛丽，怎么样？
还行，怎么样？
我们这个周末可以见面吗？我们这个周末可以见面吗？
可以。几点见面
？8点钟可以吗？
可以。在哪儿见面？
在 Westland Study Center。
好的，不见不散。
And that's all for today. I hope you'll practice that dialogue with another partner so that you can be good in your spoken Chinese. And for now, that's all. Please remember to subscribe if you like this video and the many videos that I've already uploaded for you so that you can continue to learn. 再见。